everybody, and we're here in South Africa, Johannesburg. And today, we're in Nelson Mandela Square.
We're at Cilantro's in the Mandela Square Shopping Center.
What's up, y'all?
We get our South African eat on.
Yes.
It's showing you that.
Nice. I'm just trying to get some of the ambiance. Hi friends and family, we are actually about to go to this site, the Cradle of Humankind World Heritage Site, where we're going to enter some caves and find some more interesting history about this amazing place of Johannesburg, South Africa.
Yeah.
Pull that. You caught me by surprise.
See why we need helmets in here. Not because rocks are gonna fall, because of all of that. And it's like getting colder. It feels like about 19. That's why you have to wear jackets, like I don't. Wait, let me turn this so I can see myself. There we go. It's probably upside down. No, it's fine. No, it's upside down. Okay. This is one nice cave, I tell you. This is fun. I know. Well, I'm gonna wrap this part up, everyone, and I'll see you at the end.
I've swapped ages with my mother here, so I'm 86.
He said, I wish you all the best and thank you for a happy birthday because it's his birthday. Okay, well, now we're going to the Reef City theme park. Bye. Leaving. Because now we're going to Reef City theme park. And it's like 12:40, so we have to hurry. Because it's a 50-minute drive back to our villa. And more stairs. But thank goodness you can see everything now because it's light out. Oh, slippery when wet. Well, it's not wet. No fires, no panic.
It's in around.
Okay, let's hurry. It's 12. But all right. Yeah, you could read it. Stop the video if you need. And zoom in. It's called the Cradle of Humankind. That's the name of the thing, I'm guessing.
Is that everyone? Yes. Okay. Are you ready? Yes.
We're on a Ferris wheel at Reef City. And Reef City is a huge theme park here in Johannesburg.
They got the boat ride.
Wow, we're catching an amazing view of the city of Johannesburg.
I can see some things in the theme park I didn't even see before.
I don't know if you can see that. The city's in the distance.
Yeah. It's beautiful. Yeah.
Is it?
Wow. Yeah, I can barely see myself. And we're going down.
Hi everybody, we're now at the Apartheid Museum. What's up everybody? We are downtown Joburg and we're in an area called Maboning Precinct, which is a very artsy part of the city where there's a lot of restaurants and clubs and people just hanging out chilling. So we're gonna do a visit, check out one of the restaurants here. We heard they have really good food down here, nice vibes. So come along with us. So we have decided on a place. We're at the Pada, I hope I'm saying it correctly. It's a restaurant in Maboning Precinct area, which again is a very, very artsy place. They're supposed to have a live band here, really good food. So we're gonna check them out, see what's up.
Yeah, we're gonna eat good.
Hi guys, so we are in South Africa. We're in Johannesburg and we're in Villa Moshe is where we decided to stay. It's a little bit south of the city. It's in a section called Robert Sham. Beautiful villa, and this is, as a matter of fact, it looks just like the pictures when we actually booked this place. So it's a whole house with a pool, fountain out front. It is gorgeous. It is gated and all of it was ours for 3 lovely days. And we want to thank Akila, our host, for letting us rent this place. It is fabulous. So this is our last day in South Africa. We're in Johannesburg, downtown near the Africa Museum, but we're just checking out some of the sites around the area. Check out the graffiti, tag artists, some of the work. We had a wonderful time. This is a beautiful place. The people are awesome. Very friendly, helpful. I think they're setting up for something here. I don't know. No, we'll probably miss it. Our flight leaves at 2, so. Like they're setting up the big stage for something, some type of special event today. Wow. Baseline, this is a place where they have a lot of musical events, I guess. Statue Brenda Fassie, which is a big artist here from South Africa. It's lovely.
You want to take a picture up there, Mama?
Yeah.
Just outside, we're going to Melbourne now.
Where?
Still in Brampfontein.
No.
Johannesburg? Yeah, University of Johannesburg. This is the other campus.
Okay.
This guy says they moved to try.
We're taking our last drive around Joburg before we head for our flight. This is our driver, Tulani. Our friend and driver. He's awesome. He's been amazing for this entire trip.
This is the SABC actually. This is everything that happens, the production and all that. It happens in the studios, the SABC studios.
So those are the studios for like television, filming.
Yeah.
Okay.
All the dramas, Mbango and all those dramas that happen in there.
Okay.
Especially that tall building. You can see it's written SABC there, right?
Yes. It's the New Park Station.
No, this is the Ria Vaya station. It's like a bus.
Okay,
Public
it's like a bus
transport, yeah.
station. You get public transport
Exactly,
here.
yeah.
Okay. Very cool art.
There's so many of them out here.
Okay. So for those who don't know, Joburg is a huge city.
Yeah, it's really good.
Yeah, with many, many different parts. So we're coming into the Melville section. Is that right?
This is Melville.
Melville?
Yes.
Okay.
There it's written welcome.
Yes, okay. This is considered north or a city?
It's still under Johannesburg. It's still in Johannesburg.
Okay.
Yeah, like the Gauteng province.
Gauteng?
Gauteng province.
Gauteng province. Nice.
You can come here for your job. Most people come here. Hell's Kitchen.
Ah, Hell's Kitchen.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then they also eat here.
It reminds me of certain areas back we were from in the States.
Good afternoon. We've seen like the poor people how they live.
No.
So this is the middle class neighborhood.
This one I would say is the middle class.
Wow.
Not the super rich, but the middle class.
What's this area?
This is Bramley. Bramley.
Bramley.
Yes. Oh, there
Okay.
it is. See Bramley. This is the police station.
Okay.
Bramley. BRAMLEY.